Let me tell you the most important. Thing first. For $1.50. Less than a cup of coffee. You can eat a breakfast that actively repairs your gut, reduces inflammation, and sets your body up for the entire day. I'm a Japanese salaryman and father of 2. I've eaten this breakfast almost every morning for years. My gut health is fine. My energy is stable. My health checkup comes back clean every year, and it costs $1.50. Here's what's on the plate. Miso soup, natto, rice, green tea. 4 ingredients for gut healing mechanisms, each one backed by centuries of Japanese daily life. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this $1.50 breakfast outperforms any $40 probiotic. Let's break it down. First, the protein layer. Natto and tofu, both made from soybeans. Both among the most nutrient-dense, gut-friendly foods on the planet. Let's start with natto. Natto is fermented soybeans, fermented with Bacillus subtilis, a probiotic strain that survives stomach acid and reaches your gut alive. 1 pack of natto contains more live bacteria than most probiotic supplements, and it costs 50 cents. Natto is the richest natural source of vitamin K2 on Earth. K2 supports bone density, cardiovascular health, and gut lining integrity. 6 grams of complete protein per pack. Prebiotics that feed the good bacteria, already in your gut. Now tofu. Silken tofu in miso soup provides isoflavones. Japanese people eat tofu on daily, not as a health food, just as food. That's the difference. Second, the drink. Not coffee, not orange juice. Green tea, specifically Japanese sencha or bancha. Green tea contains catechins, particularly EGCG, one of the most studied antioxidants in nutrition science. Here's what EGCG does. For your gut specifically, it selectively promotes beneficial bacteria, lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, while suppressing harmful strains. It reduces intestinal permeability, what some call leaky gut, and it reduces systemic inflammation. That starts in the gut. A cup of green tea costs 10 cents to make at home. Japanese people drink 2 to 3 cups a day, not as medicine, just as the thing you drink. Now, the centerpiece. Miso soup. If I had to choose one food that most represents Japanese gut health, it would be this. Miso is fermented soybean paste, fermented for months, sometimes years. Koji mold breaks down the soybeans into amino acids, vitamins, and beneficial enzymes. The result is one of the most complex fermented foods on Earth. What does miso do for your gut? First, live probiotic bacteria. Real Misopasten packets contains live cultures that survive and colonize your gut. Second, glutamates. Miso is naturally high in glutamates, the compounds responsible for umami flavor. But glutamates do more than taste good. They signal satiety. They slow gastric emptying. They regulate appetite hormones. One bowl of miso soup in the morning means you eat less at lunch. Naturally. No calorie counting. No willpower. Just chemistry. Third, the sodium context. Yes, miso is high in sodium. 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams per bowl. This is the number one reason Westerners are skeptical of miso. But Japanese sodium comes packaged with potassium-rich vegetables and fermented compounds that modulate its effect on blood pressure. The Japanese diet is high sodium, but low in processed food sodium. That distinction changes everything. Fourth, the ritual, miso soup every morning, isn't just nutrition. It's a warm signal to your body that the day has started. Cortisol regulation, digestive activation, circadian rhythm support. The warmth itself matters. Japanese people have known this for centuries, without needing a study to prove it. The miso tub costs $3, lasts 3 to 4 weeks. That's 10 cents per morning. Let me bring this all together. The $1.50 Japanese breakfast. Natto, live probiotics. K2, complete protein. Tofu isoflavones, gut inflammation reduction. Green tea, EGCG, beneficial bacteria promotion. Miso soup, live cultures. Glutamates, satiety signaling, each one doing something different. All of them working together every single morning. For decades, this is not a supplement protocol. This is not a 30-day gut reset. This is just breakfast in Japan, and it costs $1.50. If you want to fix your gut, you don't need a $40 probiotic. You need miso, and a TTO.green tea, and a little patience. That's the Japanese way, and it's been working for 1,000 years. If this changed how you think about gut health, please subscribe. And if this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Kansai Salaryman. See you next week.